बिगलर दर्शक काल बजाओ।
Was the sound of the markers call being given. This is the signal for the right markers, that is, the company sergeant majors and the company quartermaster havaldars to come and take their positions on the inspection line.
दर्शक ब्रेक पर दर्शक आगे बढ़ेगा। धन्यवाद। मुड़
Number 1 platoon, Junior Division, 3rd Officer Manoj Kumar, Delhi Directorate. Number 2 platoon, Junior Division, Officer Cadet Vijay Kumar of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh Directorate. Number 3 platoon, Senior Division, Officer Cadet Jaypal Singh Shekhawat of Rajasthan Directorate. Number 4 platoon, Senior Division, Officer Cadet Vinayak N. Pattar of Karnataka and Goa Directorate. Senior Division, Officer Cadet Atul Shenoy of Karnataka and Goa Directorate. Number 6 platoon, Junior Division, Officer Cadet Anshul Kumar of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh Directorate. Number 7 platoon, Junior Division, 3rd Officer Akram of Karnataka and Goa Directorate. And finally, number 8 platoon, Junior Division, 3rd Officer Jaideep Kumar Patil of Gujarat Directorate.
बिगलर ब्रेक काल बजाओ।
That was the advance call. This is the signal for the parade, which at this moment is standing at the west end of the Chunni Lal Parade Ground to start marching and report on the inspection.
ब्रेक पर
इंदौर संगठित अफसर कैडेट भारत के विभिन्न स्कूल, कॉलेज और विश्वविद्यालयों के सीओ के शिक्षक हैं। 35 साल की औसतन आयु होने के बावजूद यह अफसर कैडेट देश सेवा का अतिरिक्त उत्तरदायित्व लेने के लिए स्वेच्छा से तत्पर है। इस जिम्मेदारी को शारीरिक प्रशिक्षण और एनसीसी सेवा विषयों के बारे में विस्तार से जानकारी दी गई है।
In this charge, an exciting environment, under a clear blue sky, these impressively turned out of the cadets standing before the responsibility bestowed upon them. In order to enable themselves to become worthy of this responsibility, they have undergone 90 days of rigorous training at this academy. They are now going to be commissioned as
विश्वविद्यालयों के शिक्षकों को सेना का कठोर प्रशिक्षण देकर राष्ट्रीय कैडेट कोर में एसोसिएट एनसीसी अधिकारी यानी एएनओ बनाया जाता है। इनके अगले प्रमोशन के लिए इसी अकादमी में साल में 3 रिफ्रेशर कोर्स चलाए जाते हैं, जिसमें उत्तीर्ण होने के
where teachers and professors from schools and colleges are given military training and given commissions as associate NCC officers or ANOs for that move. After promotion, they are granted the rank of captain and second officer. Let us now introduce you to the parade which has turned out in front of you. On your extreme number 2 platoon of the junior division being commanded by 3rd Officer Malkeet Singh of Rajasthan Directorate. Number 3 platoon of the senior division being commanded by Officer Cadet Prabhakar Poddar. Number 5 platoon of the senior division commanded by Lieutenant Lal Badal Sambhaji of Maharashtra Directorate. Number 6 platoon of the junior division being commanded by 3rd Officer Anil Shankar Lal of Maharashtra Directorate. Number 8 platoon of the junior division and naval senior division commanded by 3rd Officer Babulal Mondal of West Bengal and Sikkim Directorate. On your extreme right, in the center of the parade, towards the rear, in vibrant, colorful attire, playing rousing martial tunes, is the Pioneer Corps Training Center Band, led by Subedar D.
किंतु एक सवाल जो लंबे समय से जहन को कुरेद रहा है कि आखिर वह कौन सी संजीवनी है जिसे लेने के पश्चात व्यक्ति अपना सब कुछ देश पर न्यौछावर करने को तत्पर हो जाता है। और जरा पूछिए, ऐसा क्या आकर्षण है जिसने इन शिक्षकों को राष्ट्र की रक्षा के लिए कलम और स्याही के साथ राइफल थामने के लिए प्रेरित किया है। इनके साहस और उत्साह को शब्दों में बांधा नहीं जा सकता और ना ही चंद चांदी के तमगों में तोला जा सकता है। देवी और सज्जनों, अब चंद शब्द एनसीसी ओटीए के बारे में। इस ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी की स्थापना 1 मार्च 1957 को लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल सीजे वेट्स ने कामठी छावनी में की थी। औपचारिक रूप से इसका उद्घाटन 6 मार्च 1957 को तत्कालीन केंद्रीय रक्षा राज्य मंत्री सरदार सुरजीत सिंह मजीठिया के द्वारा की गई थी। मार्च 1989 में एनसीसी ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी पुरंदर को इस एकेडमी से जोड़ दिया गया। नवंबर 2002 में इस प्रशिक्षण केंद्र को एनसीसी अफसर प्रशिक्षण एकेडमी का औपचारिक नाम दिया गया। 1 मार्च 2017 को राष्ट्रीय कैडेट कोर अफसर प्रशिक्षण एकेडमी ने 60 वर्ष पूरे किए हैं। पिछले 60 सालों में 1 लाख प्रशिक्षकों को यहाँ ट्रेनिंग दी गई है।
In a short while from now, Major General Inderjeet Singh Bundal, Commandant, National Cadet Corps Officers Training Academy, will arrive amongst us, and the parade will present him with a general salute. Of the National Defence Academy, Khalakwasia, and passed out in the 61st NDA course from Bravo Squadron. General Hundal is a fourth generation army officer whose forefathers participated in the First and the Second World Wars and all subsequent wars fought in the Indian subcontinent. On completion of training at the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, he was commissioned into 157 Light Air Defence Regiment on 24th of December 1982. In 1986, he joined the Corps of Aviation and served as a qualified helicopter pilot, actively flying in operational areas for 10 years. In an illustrious career spanning 36 years, he has held numerous regimental, staff, and instructional appointments. The general officer has served in all parts of the country, both in staff and during command. He has commanded the 29th Air Defence Regiment and the 616 Independent Air Defence Brigade. The general officer has an exemplary military and academic record, having done all important courses of recruit. The general officer is the recipient of the prestigious Silver Gun, which is awarded to the best student in the Young Officers Air Defence Training Course in RT School, Devlali. He secured the coveted Best in Flying Award at RT Air Observation Post Course, RT School, Devlali. He is an alumni of the Defence Services Staff College, Wellington, and has attended the Senior Command course at Army War College, Mount, and the Higher Defence Management course, College of Defence Management at Secunderabad. He holds an MSc in Defence and Strategy from Balpur and Instructor Class B, NDA Khalakvasa. His notable staff tenures include General Staff Officer, Grade 1. Ladies and gentlemen, Major General Inderjeet Singh Hundal, Commandant, National Cadet Corps, Officers Training Academy.
देवी और सज्जनों, अब चंद शब्द हमारे वीर जवानों के बारे में। राष्ट्रीय कैडेट कोर अफसर प्रशिक्षण अकादमी ने इस राष्ट्र को कई वीर दिए हैं। इस ड्रिल स्क्वायर के द्वार का नाम मेजर पी श्याम सुंदर के सम्मान में रखा गया है। वे 10 मद्रास बटालियन के अफसर थे, जिन्होंने 5 मार्च 2006 को आतंक
Staff and command courses such as Defence Services Staff College, Senior Command and High Command course. His academic qualifications include a BSc degree, Masters of Arts in English Literature, Masters of Science in Defence Studies, Postgraduate Diploma in Human Rights Law, and Postgraduate Diploma in Alternate Dispute Resolution. A highly qualified as an instructor in the Officers Training Academy, Chennai. The staff appointment is Secretary in Strategic Forces Command. His command appointments include command of his battalion in Rajouri sector, command of a Rashtriya Rifles Brigade in Poonsurenkot sector, and command of the 17th Mountain Division in Sikkim. The General Officer also held The prestigious appointment of Adil Officer is presently posted as Additional Director General, NCC Directorate Delhi since 1st of September 2018.
General Salute! Salute!
The parade presents the reviewing officer with a general salute. And now, the parade commander is marching towards the saluting guys to give report.
श्रीमान राष्ट्रीय कैडेट कोर ऑफिसर परीक्षा कदमे 456 ऑफिसर कैडेट परेड पर परेड निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है। नंबर 1 प्लेटून खड़ा रहे, बाकी परेड
May I now request the reviewing officer to say a few words of motivation to the passing out of the cadets.
Officer cadets of the passing out course, the family members, distinguished guests, instructional staff of Officers Training Academy, Kamti, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Today I feel honored and privileged to review the passing out parade of the PRCN course. The parade has been outstanding and the standards exhibited by you were excellent. My compliments to you all for achieving these exceptional standards in a short span of 3 months. Heartiest congratulations to each one of you and a special compliments to the instructional staff of OTA County on this achievement. 31st August 2019 will always be a memorable day in your life. You have rightfully earned the NCC Commission through your sustained hard work and determination. You have volunteered to shoulder the additional responsibility of guiding our youth towards a better tomorrow. I would like to share some of my thoughts with you. Associate NCC officer is the most important pivot around which institutional training of NCC revolves. You are the link between the cadets and the NCC battalion. You are the face of NCC. You have to instill in the cadets a very high sense of honor, integrity, loyalty, and discipline. You have to include determination and perseverance amongst the cadets. Remember what Nelson Mandela said. The greatness lies not in never falling, but in rising every time you fall. With the training you have imbibed at this great institution, I am confident that you will be the role model for our future generations. The National Cadet Corps is the largest disciplined youth organization in the world. It is a reservoir of immense potential, geared to ensure rapid growth in all spheres. The organization has expanded manifold with the passage of time and has qualitatively maintained very high standards. The NCC is performing the job of pathfinder in initiating the cadets to national integration, discipline, adventure activities, and community development. You have the responsibility to inspire, guide, motivate, and orient these cadets to help build India and propel it to a better tomorrow. It is similarly a great honor for you to be entrusted with this onerous responsibility of guiding the youth in your schools and colleges towards a better future for themselves and for the country. I would also urge you to take up the challenge of motivating capable youth to join the armed forces as officers and serve the nation. Lastly, I extend my felicitations to all of you for earning the NCC Commission. My special compliments to the proud family members as well. My congratulations to the award winners who have excelled and achieved top honors. My congratulations to each one of you, since you are all achievers. My personal appreciation to the Commandant and Team OTA for the outstanding training imparted to you all. I wish you all the very best and Godspeed in all your future endeavors. Jai Hind.
अंबर हेठा धरती वसदी एथे हर रुत हसदी हो किन्ना सोना देश है मेरा देश है मेरा देश है मेरा किन्ना सोना देश है मेरा देश है मेरा देश है मेरा देश है मेरा। धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला हो धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला हर मौसम रंगीला ऐसा देश है मेरा हो ऐसा देश है मेरा ऐसा देश है मेरा हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए सावन घिर के आए ऐसा देश है मेरा हो ऐसा देश है मेरा ऐसा देश है मेरा हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। गेहूं के खेतों में कंघी जो करे हवाएं रंग बिरंगी कितनी चुनरियां उड़ उड़ जाएं। पनघट पर पनहारन जब गगरी भरने आए मधुर मधुर तानों में कहीं बंसी कोई बजाए ल सुन लो कदम कदम पे है मिल जानी कदम कदम पे है मिल जानी कोई प्रेम कहानी ऐसा देश है मेरा हो ऐसा देश है मेरा ऐसा देश है मेरा हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। जुगनी दे तागे बगे जुगनी उस दे मुंह तो पब्बे जिन्हों सट इश्क भी लगे होए साई मेरे आ जुगनी
विश्राम।
The reviewing officer, along with the commandant, the parade commander, will now inspect the parade. With the membership of 13 lakh cadets, the National Cadet Corps today silver medal in the Khelo India 2018. Officer Cadet Shivanand is a national level handball player and has coached the Karnataka state handball team. Third officer Rajiv Dev and Officer Cadet Jagsir Singh are national level basketball players. Officer Cadet Ashish Bhargava is a national level boxer and has coached the 2-Pro boxing team in 2011-12. Officer Cadet Amit Kumar is a certified AIFF referee. Officer Cadet S. Babu is a national basketball player and has been awarded the best teacher by Tamil Nadu Physical Education and Sports University. In the field of arts, Officer Cadet Manoj Kumar holds the Guinness World Record along with 100 artists having created the longest painting in the world. Third officer Shaji Kumar is a national award winner in painting. Third, in the order of merit, Officer Cadet Satvinder Singh of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh Directorate. Singh of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh Directorate. The director demonstrates is to embrace improvement to define the best of the best. Winner of Director General's Patent and Gold Medal in Senior Division, Lieutenant Ravinder Singh of Uttarakhand Directorate. Winner of Tamil Silver Medal in Senior Division, also cadet Michael Raja of Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Directorate. Winner of Tamil Bronze Medal in Senior Division, also cadet Satwinder Singh of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh Directorate. Winner of Director General's Patent and Gold Medal in Junior Division, also cadet Dr. Bhupinder Singh of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh Directorate. Winner of Tamil Silver Medal in Junior Division, also cadet Joginder Singh of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh Directorate. Winner of Tamil Bronze Medal in Junior Division, Third Officer Shivanand Chongre of Maharashtra Directorate. Winner of Director General's Patent and Gold Medal in Naval PRC and Senior Division, also cadet Dr. Chiranjeev Chauhan of Kerala and Lakshadweep Directorate. Winner of Tamil Silver Medal in the Senior Division, also cadet Dr. Gaurav Sharma of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh Directorate. Winner of Tamil Bronze Medal in the Senior Division, also cadet Nagarajan of Karnataka and Goa Directorate. Winner of Director General's Banner for Champion Company in Pre-Commissioned Course, Shivaji Kami.
नहीं तालेंदी दिल कट ली ताई जिंद मेरी बाप के कंधे चढ़ के जहाँ बच्चे देखे मेले मेलों में नट के तमाशे कुल्फी के चाट के ठेले कहीं मिलती मीठी गोली कहीं चूरन की है पुड़िया भोले भोले बच्चे हैं जैसे गुड्डे और गुड़िया और इनको रोज सुनाए दादी नानी हो रोज सुनाए दादी नानी एक परियों की कहानी ऐसा देश है मेरा हो ऐसा देश है मेरा ऐसा देश है मेरा हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा मेरे देश में मेहमानों को भगवान कहा जाता है वो यहीं का हो जाता है जो कहीं से भी आता है
तेरे देश को मैंने देखा तेरे देश को मैंने जाना तेरे देश को मैंने देखा तेरे देश को मैंने जाना जाने क्यों ये लगता है मुझको जाना पहचाना यहाँ भी वही शाम है वही सवेरा वही शाम है वही सवेरा ऐसा ही देश है मेरा जैसा देश है तेरा जैसा देश है तेरा जैसा देश है तेरा
ऐसा देश है मेरा हो जैसा देश है तेरा
ऐसा देश है मेरा हाँ जैसा देश है तेरा
ऐसा देश है मेरा हाँ
जैसा देश है मेरा
ताकत वतन की तुमसे है हिम्मत वतन की तुमसे है इज्जत वतन की तुमसे है इंसान के हम रखवाले ताकत वतन की हमसे है हिम्मत वतन की हमसे है इज्जत वतन की हमसे है इंसान के हम रखवाले पहरेदार हिमालय के हम झोंके हैं तूफान के सुनकर गरज हमारी सीने फट जाते चट्टान के आहा पहरेदार हिमालय के हम झोंके हैं तूफान के सुनकर गरज हमारी सीने फट जाते चट्टान के ताकत वतन की हमसे है हिम्मत वतन की हमसे है इज्जत वतन की हमसे है, इंसान के हम रखवाले। सीना है फौलाद का अपना, फूलों जैसा दिल है। तन में विंध्याचल का बल है, मन में ताजमहल है। सीना है फौलाद का अपना, फूलों जैसा दिल है। तन में विंध्याचल का बल है, मन में ताजमहल है। ताकत वतन की हमसे है, हिम्मत वतन की हमसे है, इज्जत वतन की हमसे है, इंसान के हम रखवाले। देकर अपना खून सींचते देश की हम फुलवारी, बंसी से बंदूक बनाते हम वो प्रेम पुजारी। देकर अपना खून सींचते देश की हम फुलवारी।
Marching contingent, as judged by 3 eminent judges, is number 7+2. Now, a token of appreciation for these 3 orderlies. Case number 35, Lieutenant Zulfikar Ahmed from Karnataka and Goa Directorate. Case number 60, Lieutenant B.C. Sandeep Balasai, Maharashtra Directorate.
थोड़ा पीछे से
Please raise your hand for the oath. I solemnly declare and promise that I will honestly and faithfully serve my country and abide by the rules and regulations of National Cadet Corps and that I will to the best of my ability attend all parades and camps which I may be required to attend by my commanding officer. I undertake being commissioned officer in the National Cadet Corps that if I desire to leave the school or college and the unit to which I am posted, I shall give laid down number of days notice in writing to the headmaster, principal of my school or college of my intention to leave the school or college. I also understand that I have no service liability. Jai Hind. The national song, and the NCC song and national anthem will now be played. May I request you all to remain standing as a mark of respect for the song.
हम